How to replace your keyboard using the HP Revive Kit. The Revive Kit includes a keyboard replacement, 2 flat-bladed pry tools, and a press block. Set the notebook in service mode by following the steps. Power on the unit with the AC adapter unplugged. Continuously press F10 to enter BIOS setup. At the main menu, check the box for the item Prepare System for hardware change. If cover removal sensor is enabled, this may be grayed out. If so, please disable this feature under Cover Lock in the security menu. You can also check the included instruction sheet on how to disable cover lock. If Prepare System for hardware change has been used previously, the box will remain checked. You will need to uncheck and recheck the box to re-enable the feature. Once the box is checked, the system will switch to a confirmation screen. Click Confirm. The system will return to the main screen upon selection. At the main screen, hit Escape to exit and select Yes to accept the changes. If no AC adapter is connected, the unit should power off after exiting BIOS and is now in service mode. This can be tested by pressing the power button. The unit should not power on. If the AC power adapter is connected during this process, the system will not shut down when exiting the BIOS setup menu. Instead, it will reboot into the operating system. On the subsequent power shutdown, the system will enter service mode. Remove the escape key using a flat-bladed pry tool. Disengage the keyboard by using the small metal hook on the left side of the escape key opening. Gently pull up the hook to start loosening the adhesive securing the back of the keyboard. Work the tool across the top edge of the keyboard to release the adhesive completely. Once the top edge is free, carefully pull the keyboard downward toward the bottom edge to fully detach it. Then lay it flat with the cables exposed. Release the cable latch from the back of the cable connector. Pull up on the latch to release. Same method is used for both cable connectors. Do not use too much force when releasing the latches to avoid damage. At this time, the keyboard has been completely removed, and it can be placed in your plastics recycling container. Inspect the top cover of the PC for any residual adhesive. If there is, either remove with fingers or use isopropyl alcohol to help. Lay the keyboard flat in front of the PC, ensuring the cables are facing inward towards the appropriate connector. Insert the keyboard cable, then the backlight cable, and close the latch once the cables are seated properly. Remove the adhesive backing from the strips on the back of the keyboard. Flip the keyboard over. Hold it at a slight angle. Insert the bottom edges of the keyboard into the top cover of the PC. Using your thumbs, gently press down on the keyboard. Ensure the bottom edge is anchored securely while working your way toward the top edge. Position the template from the spare kit over the keyboard. Apply firm pressure to the highlighted circles and along the dotted lines using your fingers to ensure the keyboard is fully secured. Use the included press block to apply even pressure to the entire keyboard for 20 seconds. Confirm the keyboard is fully seated and flush with the PC top deck. Reconnect the AC adapter upon completion of the procedure to exit service mode.